Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to express our views on meditation and concentration. Generally, it is believed that concentration leads to meditation, but it is not so. Concentration is concerned with the mind focusing upon some idea or an image. Concentration excludes the other thoughts. Hence, concentration involves conflicts. Concentration does not lead to meditation. Concentration is used in the outside mundane world. For example, a businessman is doing his business with great concentration. On the other hand, a terrorist also needs concentration. He does his work with perfection. For all these outside activities, concentration is needed. Concentration involves violence also. If we observe a person who is violent, he is so focused, he is so concentrated in his approach. So concentration helps in our day-to-day life. That is quite true. Concentration can be applied for good work and also for bad work. It all depends upon us. Certainly concentration is needed as far as the outside world is concerned. But as far as inner engineering is concerned, meditation is useful. Now, what is meditation? Meditation involves observation, attention, and awareness. Meditation involves three components. First of all, observation, then attention, then after that, awareness. Meditation is concerned about our own thought process. How to beyond our thought process is what meditation is. Thoughts are mechanical. Also, concentration also is mechanical. So, concentration belongs to the thought, but meditation does not belong to the thoughts. Meditation is the art which helps us to go beyond all the thoughts. Because in thoughts only, violence, ambition, greedy, all these negative aspects of life are contained. But meditation frees all those contents of consciousness. So meditation has the spiritual quality. On the other hand, concentration has the worldly value. We assume that there exists a state of mind where time does not exist. Meditation unravels the way for that. Meditation has high spiritual value. It opens the door of life. It opens the secrets of life. It helps in the non-dual reality of life. Through meditation, we can attain to the non-dual aspect of life. It helps us to find the oneness of life. So we have to be in meditation. Meditation is for moment to moment. Each moment we have to be alert about our own thoughts. Then we will be in a meditative state. Once again we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life.